Many of you have requested for me to do a quick makeup tutorial using drugstore products. Yeah, well, mostly tak adalah drugstore sangat, but then there's a few drugstore punya products. So, I normally go out barefaced like this. I don't normally wear makeup every day, so because I have sensitive skin. So, but I'll show you guys today, like if I nak keluar pergi events or mana-mana jalan-jalan or meeting someone, like I'll do this makeup, like I'll go for this look lah. So it's very easy and it's very simple. Semua guna, well, I tak pakai foundation selalunya. Like I will just slap on everything je dekat muka, like blusher or things like that. But then today, okay lah, I bagi tunjuk lah. So first, this is just a quick one. Okay, sekejap it's very simple for you guys yang macam malas macam I, macam sangat malas untuk pakai makeup, untuk bersiap. You know, so if you guys nampak I bersiap tu macam, wow, you're so lucky. So this is my bare face. Well, it's not really bare. I already put on my moisturizer, my sunscreen. Yeah. So I'll just have to put on my primer. But since I don't have I can't find my primer. Okay, whatever. So because I have a very oily skin, very oily T-zone, so I don't encourage you guys yang mana ada very oily skin tu untuk pakai this primer. This is Radiance primer, so it has a bit of shimmer. So korang tak patut pakai, but then it's okay lah, boleh lah, just a bit, just tiny bit, okay. So hand, make sure you guys cuci tangan, okay. So just put on a bit there, a bit here, a bit there, a bit here, a bit there. Then this sapu je. Ini yang macam the quickest and the easiest makeup tau. So you guys jangan macam hoping for extra punya ke macam, kenapa Amal tak pakai apa tu? Mist. Kenapa tak pakai ni? This is not the proper way of doing it. This is the, like I said, this is the easiest and the quickest way. Okay, so everything dah ni. Then since I have eye bag, so I'll put on, this one is Maybelline. Wah, gitu, Maybelline concealer. So I just put on a bit here, a bit there, a bit here, a bit there, and then okay, and then just stick on the brush, just sapu like that. Do you got it? Sebenarnya, when you have dark circles like this, you need to put on corrector first. But then since it's easy and it's malas punya makeup look, letak je apa yang you nak letak. Okay. Letak. Okay, so everything is balanced. Already blended. So next thing is guna foundation. But foundation ni I tak pernah guna sebenarnya ni. I beli je. Semoga dia berjaya lah. Tak pernah guna, serius. It's new. Penuh lagi. Zaman bila aku beli ni pun tak tahu. I think it will match my skin tone. I use the code Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Pure Beige code 235. I mixed it up with classic ivory sebab this one is a bit dark for me, the beige. So matilah kau. Okay, so sikit je kita letak because kita tak nak terlampau heavy makeup. Okay, sikit je, dot. So again, take the brush, then you make sure you dab, okay? You don't tarik like that, because when you tarik, dia punya, it won't blend that well. Oh my god, the sun. Matilah nak backlight lah ni, but it's okay. Okay je. Jadi kau dah nampak. Oh, lupa lah. I should make introduction kan. Okay, so I'm Amal, Amalyna. Most people call me Amal. Senang kot, tak tahu. Yeah, so apa lagi ya? I'm a hijab stylist and also a part-time makeup artist. But then now I nak buat full-time lah. Boleh tak? Yes, because I'm a self-employed. So, banyaklah masa kita, you all. Gitu. Okay, so dah. You can see? Dah. Sudah. Tak payah beria. Okay. So, apa lagi? Mak lupa, guys. Okay, right. Kening. So, ini I dah lupa sikit lah. Sebenarnya, mak tak ada kening, guys. So, like, okay, this one is Silky Girl. Can you focus? Okay, this one is Silky Girl Natural Brow Pencil. So, ambil sini, tarik sini. Ambil sini, tarik sini lagi. Ambil sini, tarik sini. Based on your preference lah. Kalau you nak macam K-pop tu, you tak payahlah buat yang benda ni arch sangat tau. Jadi kan, ni macam Melayu sikit lah kot. Tak K-pop sangat. Macam Melayu sikit lah. So, sebabkan malas, sepatutnya korang kena guna yang benda tu. But then, if ini je yang korang ada dalam bag, like if this is the only thing that you have in your bag, you can just use the back of the pencil yang bontot dia ni. Sapu je macam ni. Gitu. Kan dah blend. Make sure korang macam blend betul lah. Janganlah macam ala kadar je. Korang kena korang yang singit, mak juga yang salah. Gitu. Okay? Right, settle that part. And then bagi mereka yang memerlukan pipi yang mempunyai pipi yang sangat kembung. It's actually a blusher, tapi dia boleh jadi contouring punya powder lah. So, Allah, tak boleh buka pula. This one is called Harmony. I've been using it since like forever. Habis beli baru. So, sebab itu macam kena like match my skin tone juga tau. Okay, so since I don't have like anything yang from yang sama colour macam tu untuk drugstore, but this one is okay kot. This is a bronzer actually from Catrice. Catrice you boleh dapat dekat Guardian. So, this is the only, if you like have like pipi kembung macam stick it. Then make sure it's from here. And then you, gitu. Sikit je. Korang tak nak macam beria sangat. Dia just nak bagi nampak. Ni je. Korang ada ni je. Okay. I tak tahulah korang boleh nampak ke tak. This is the sun. Tu nampak tak? Okay, like that. Okay. The other side pun macam tu. Because I tak tahu like how you guys buat macam ni. I don't know. But this is the way I do it. So, korang nak ikut lah. Kan? So, it will like make your face a bit sharper lah. Tak adalah macam bolat gitu. Okay, so like some people will macam ni sama. Kan? But no, I prefer from here. Like, you can see from your telinga, and then you just like pop. But then don't make it like parang like that. Parang kan? Yeah, because I tak suka. Because jenis makeup cipuk. Sorry. Okay, so enough of that. Ni dah nampak dah. Ni pun dah nampak, tapi sebab matahari, so korang macam tak boleh nampak sangat. So, ambil sikit je. Dari sini, tolak sini. Ya. Korang boleh je tolak macam ni. Tapi macam, like that. Terbalik. Okay. Sikit je. Kalau nak, I embrace my jendolness. So, I tak nak letak shading kat mana-mana. Because orang kata jendol tu pandai. So yeah, I don't want to cover it. I don't want to put it. Okay, now we move on to eyeshadow. Okay, kali ni memang serious. I don't know if Sephora is considered as drugstore or tak, tapi yeah, this palette you can only get it at Sephora. Yeah, sebab tempat lain macam tak tahulah, because it's Zoeva and it's my favourite palette. See, I like dah guna like habis. Yeah, so this is my favourite palette. Like, if I make orang pun like, I'll use this palette. Okay, so this is the Zoeva Cocoa Blend. Yeah, so boleh lah. First colour, I'll use this colour. It's Substitute for Love. Yeah, Substitute for Love. What is it? I don't know. So you take your brush, and then sebabkan ini adalah makeup yang paling cepat dan paling ni, kalau I tak bercakap ni mungkin 5 minit je korang boleh siap. But then since I macam banyak, so it's gonna be long lah. Okay. And then put both side. Ini memang tak ada teknik tau. Orang yang macam tak pandai makeup pun korang mesti boleh makeup dia macam ni. So I tak ajar korang macam like the proper technique. But then all you have to do is just you have to blend. Make sure the exact tip yang korang kena tahu, yang korang kena, if you want to master makeup and if you don't want to look like clown, blend. You have to blend. Every time you do anything, you have to blend. Blend is the word. It's the key word. Okay? Blending is the key or whatever. Okay? So, I dah guna yang tu satu. And then, I'll take this freshly toasted. Sebab, I suka colour macam brown-brown macam tu. So, I just put it like, on the outer corner of my eye socket. Yeah. Eye socket yelah kot. So, I just put it there. Then, you blend. Kalau you macam ada like a bigger brush, you use your bigger brush lah, tapi macam malas. So, korang just blend like that. Okay. Sikit je sebab ini like daily look. So, korang tak nak macam nampak terlampau gelap for, you know, like korang, if korang pergi date kat tengah-tengah pandang buta, korang pergi pakai smoky eyes. Mana ada? Like, tak ada siapa buat. Tak ada babe. Unless if you like, you know, is it rata? Rata tak? Okay, so now is the time I use my big brush. I just blend out everything so that tak ada, yeah, okay. Okay, so I'll take the same colour, but then I use a different brush so that dia macam tak buruk sangat. Okay, so I use this brush, yeah. Ambil the substitute formula first. Then you letak dekat sini the same, yeah, spot. Okay. You ambil freshly toasted pula, and then you just letak sikit je. So that you macam even out atas dan bawah tau. Again, take this one. Then take this one pula. Kat luar je. Okay. Okay, like that. And then you take the big brush. And then you blend. Make sure you blend, guys. You tak nak ada. Dalam Melayu cakap, it's called benda asing. Or benda tu lah, you tak nak nampak dia macam buruk. Okay, so your eyes is done. Oh, kalau you macam nak a bit extra lah, you macam nak impress your boyfriend ke siapa ke, kan? You just like, oh my god, you ambil this apa nama dia? Highlighter. This one is Mary Luminizer from, you can get it from Sasa. Murah je, tak mahal. Semua ni like all the things that I use semua affordable. So aku ambil tak sini sikit, kan? Sini sikit, so that dia nampak macam shimmer lah gitu, kan? Okay, so the next thing. Sebab I tak suka pakai eyeliner. I never like to use eyeliner. So I just use mascara terus. So since as you can see, I don't have eyelashes. So korang boleh, mana yang tak ada juga tu, like you can get this one. This is the Silky Girl Big Eye Mascara. Dia ada fiber. So dia macam, nampak tak? Dia macam, oh, you cannot focus, I don't know lah. Jahanam kamera ni. Okay, so this one, letak je. You just like, sebab kat I tak ada bulu mata, so I kena buat dia zigzag tau. You zigzag. Sebab, so that it will give volume to your lashes. So you will nampak macam banyak lah sikit lashes you. Pun buat macam tu juga. Oh my god, terkena mata. Okay, so bila kena mata atas tu, jangan risau. Okay? Because mascara ni dia boleh hilang macam tu je. Like, you just korek je tu. Hilang. Okay? Okay, this part is very tricky sebab abang ni bulu mata bawah memang langsung tak ada tau. Yeah, so I memang takkan letak sebab aku nak letak atas apa, kan macam tu. But if you guys ada bulu mata, of course, korang akan letak kat bawah, okay? Just letak kat bawah macam tu. Alright? Okay, so dah habis. Mata dah sudah. Senang je, sangat senang. Kalau I tak cakap benda ni, korang akan buat sekejap je. The next thing is blusher. Okay, sama juga. Kalau blusher, I suka guna MAC. Tapi sebab I tak ada MAC punya sekarang ni dekat my handbag kot, I don't know. So I use this one. This one I got it from jauh lah sikit nak perginya. It's a Makeup Revolution punya blusher. So korang kalau jauh nak pergi, this one I got it in the UK. Ya, masa pergi dulu tu, so I belilah. So there you go, that's like banyak gila colour dia. And cantik. And it's so pigmented tau. And it's very sangat murah. Kalau you can, apa tu nama kedai tu? Online. You boleh beli online tau. Tapi you have to pay for the shipping lah. Or there's ada personal shopper juga yang jual benda ni. So korang boleh, you know. Oh yeah, this is a disclaimer. I don't know which one to focus. Like, should I focus on myself or should I focus to the camera? Like, should I tak tahu. So So korang terima je. This is like the first video yang I bercakap pun. So yeah. This colour. Sekarang kan macam orang macam nak buat macam Korean look tu kan. Macam like korang macam nak nampak fresh. If you guys nak nampak fresh, make sure you letak kat sini juga. So that macam oh kenapa merah baby you? You look so fresh. Macam tu padahal kalau tak blusher babe. Okay. Okay, so nampak? Well basically we're done. Just need to... Okay. So I have like 2 choices. Usually I akan, sebabkan I malas, so I just like guna this Nivea balm. So dia macam ni. So bila korang letak dia dah ada colour lah. Kan? Dia dah ada colour. Like this one. See? Or dia ada colour. But since today I tak nak pakai that one, and to protect my lips, I will use this Sebamed lip defense. It's really good. You can get it at Watson or Guardian. And then I'll use this one. This is my favourite colour. So kalau korang nak beli hadiah birthday ke, macam out of budget, boleh gini ni. Boleh beli ni. Okay. This is tak nampak lah bu. 657. Put 657, okay. Nude nuance. So dah nak habis dah. And also I guna, sekejap, sabar. Before that, I use this one. Ni ke? Yeah. This one is from Honey Madu. Ni I dah dapat years ago. Like 2 years ago. Masa I attend event, satu event tu lah. So it's very cantik. Kat sini. See? If you prefer like nude macam ni, kan? Your makeup is done. Tapi sebab I macam suka macam look macam jahat sikit, you know, tak baik sebab I don't want cakap I tak baik. So, I don't care. Okay? Oh, mati-matilah nak engkau. Oh, betul. It's okay. Kat sini sikit. Yeah, this is like my very malas punya look. And very malas but very easy, okay? So, we're done. Oh, belum done lagi. I just realised that I tak pakai powder. But who cares? Kalau korang nak pakai, this is my way. Kalau korang nak pakai, korang pakai. Tapi sebab I malas, so... Okay, so, untuk highlight. Sikit nak highlight. Ambil the same Merlimalizer again. Kat sini sikit, kat sini sikit. Sini sikit. Ha! You're done. So, tudung macam ni je lah. Okay? Well, yeah. That's basically it. I tengok dulu. Nah, aku ni membantai je. Yes! So, we're done. So, kalau korang tak nak macam nampak powdery look, korang boleh spray your face with this MAC Prep and Prime. This one memang tak ada kat drugstore lah. Korang kena belilah kat Sephora ke. If Sephora is considered as a drugstore, then korang boleh dapat kat situ. Okay? So, I tak nak nampak powdery look sebab walaupun I tahu like it will oxidize and my face berpeluh, but I still nak spray. So, close your eyes and then... Well, basically, you're done. Yeah, that's all from me. So, please stay tuned for another upcoming video from me. I don't know, like, should I do this more? Like, should I do this more often or shouldn't I? I don't know. You guys please tell me. If you like it, please comment or like this video. Nampak? Dia nampak macam very healthy and very like you have like a very healthy skin tau. Macam tu. Okay? Okay, so after 5 minutes, yeah. So inilah sebenarnya yang kita mahukan. So you just use yeah, macam I tak ada, sepatutnya I buat shading kat sini tapi I tak buat. So but then it turns out to be okay kan. So okay lah. So for you guys yang baru nak start makeup or tak tahu apa-apa, bolehlah ikut. I'm not saying that it's perfect, but it's okay. So guys, inilah makeup look yang kita nak. Dewy and tak heavy and senang and simple. So you guys boleh ikut. So ini after 5 minutes, like ya, cuma mata I tadi I garu lah, so dia macam merah sikit. All those products that I use, semua daripada drugstore or Sephora. Boleh cari kat situ. And it's affordable. So it's, and it's satu, sebenarnya simple makeup and easy makeup. So tak payah berat-berat sangat, tak payah buat like step by step lah. Korang boleh ikut je. So if you like this video, please press the like button. And if I post it on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Bye-bye. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum.